Hello, today I'd like to show you another example of customization. Our customer asked us to make a letter waist pouch with such a metal snap closure and with two belt loops, and another buyer requirement was inside lining made of leather as well. So we have here three compartments. One here is for banknotes or for notes, so a second is for phone. Here is a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and the third compartment is just for the bank cards. Here inside we have two cards. If I add three more, no problem. So together now it's five cards inside. I think the best is if we have inside two or three. That is a balanced fitting. Here inside is a Galaxy Note 9, but for instance you can also fit here iPhone 6 Plus with a double layer protector. Here it is. It's fit perfectly. Or another example of the phone is a Galaxy S8 Plus with a thin shell protector. Here it is. So inside lining, it was a buyer requirement. It's an inside lining made of leather. So we have here everywhere where the leather inside every compartment is with a leather lining. So we decided to, by this example, to make another product in our offer, horizontal waist pouch with inside lining made of leather. It's a little bit more thick, but thanks to that lining it looks much more powerful, much more safe, and the user of such a letter pouch will have a comfortable feeling of the phone is perfectly protected in such a letter pouch.